Welcome back to another video. Many people believe that breakfast is the most important meal of the day, as it breaks the nighttime fast and kickstarts your metabolism. However, popular American breakfast foods, such as donuts, pastries, and pancakes, are laden with saturated fat and sugar and contain little protein or fiber. A healthy breakfast is one that contains nutritious foods that provide energy and make you feel full, which can help prevent overeating later in the day. In this video, we will look at the best foods to eat in the morning. Let us get right into it. 1. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a nutritional powerhouse. It contains beta-glucan, which is a thick, sticky fiber that helps you to feel full for longer and may also lower cholesterol. One study revealed that people who ate oatmeal for breakfast felt fuller and ate less at lunchtime than people who ate cornflakes. This was particularly true in people who were overweight. Oats are also rich in antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, folate, and potassium. Steel-cut oats, which contain more protein and fiber than other types of oats, are a good option because they have a lower glycemic index. A low glycemic index means your blood sugar will not increase as much. 2. Eggs. Eggs are a popular breakfast food. They are nutritious and contain high-quality protein. Some people think that eggs are unhealthy because of the amount of cholesterol they contain. However, research has shown that the dietary cholesterol from eggs has only a minor impact on bad cholesterol or low-density lipoprotein in the blood. A small study on people at high risk of developing type 2 diabetes or cardiovascular disease found that eating whole eggs and moderately reducing carbohydrate consumption resulted in improvements in blood cholesterol levels. It also reduced waist circumference, weight, and body fat. 3. Nuts and nut butter. If you do not eat animal products, eating nuts is another excellent way to get enough protein. Nuts also contain antioxidants, magnesium, potassium, and heart-healthy fats. Nut butter is very versatile. People can spread nut butter on whole grain toast, mix it into oatmeal or yogurt, or use it as a dip for fresh fruit. Healthy kinds of nut butter include peanut butter, almond butter, cashew butter, unsweetened cocoa, and hazelnut butter. 4. Berries. Frozen berries are as nutritious as fresh berries and are available out of season. Berries of all kinds, such as blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries, are an excellent way to start the morning. They are low in calories, high in fiber, and contain disease-fighting antioxidants. A study from the American Heart Association showed an association between a higher intake of the antioxidants found in berries with a lower risk of heart attack in young women. Sprinkle berries on cereal, oatmeal, or yogurt, or blend them into smoothies. If fresh berries are expensive or not in season, buy frozen berries, which are just as nutritious. However, it is best to choose frozen berries without any added sugar for optimal health benefits. 5. Flaxseed. Flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and fiber. The health benefits of flaxseed include lowering blood levels of cholesterol, improving insulin sensitivity, lowering blood sugar, and even protecting against breast cancer. You can sprinkle flax seeds on yogurt or oatmeal or blend them into smoothies. It is essential to purchase ground flaxseed or to grind the seeds at home, as whole flax seeds will pass through the body without breaking down. 6. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is another excellent source of protein to eat in the morning. Greek yogurt is thick and creamy and contains more protein than regular strained yogurt. Greek yogurt is also rich in calcium and contains probiotics that help support a healthy gut and immune system. People can pair this low-fat, high-protein food with other foods on this list, such as berries or nut butter. 7. Tea. Black, green, and white teas all contain antioxidants, but green tea is probably the healthiest. According to one study, green tea may help burn fat and promote weight loss. These teas contain some caffeine but not as much as coffee. Tea can also help you stay hydrated. 8. Bananas. Bananas are a quick and convenient addition to a nutritious breakfast. They also make a good mid-morning snack to keep hunger at bay. Bananas contain resistant starch. The body does not digest resistant starch, so it travels through the body unchanged, which helps support digestive health. Unripe bananas contain more resistant starch than ripe bananas, which have more natural sugars. Bananas are also a great source of potassium, which may support healthy blood pressure in some people. Bananas are great with nut butter or on top of oatmeal or cereal. When eating breakfast in the morning, make sure to choose foods that are filling and contain lots of nutrients. Choosing the best foods to eat in the morning can help curb hunger and kickstart your metabolism for the day. Do you have any of these foods for breakfast? Please share in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.